To get started using your blender pitcher, place the empty pitcher on the motor base so that the corner forms a diamond. When facing the front of the blender, the pitcher handle must be on the front left or front right position for the pitcher to sit correctly on the base. Once the pitcher is on the base, twist clockwise until you hear it click and lock into place. Once the pitcher is locked onto the base, carefully place the stacked blades inside the pitcher, directly on top of the blade gear. Remember to always hold the blade by the top of the shaft, as the blades are very sharp. With the blade assembly in the pitcher, place the pitcher lid on the pitcher, aligning the arrow on the lid with the arrow on the pitcher handle. You will know you are assembling the lid correctly if the pour spout is directly across from the handle. Once the lid is firmly pushed into the top of the pitcher, lower the handle and push firmly until you hear a click. You will know that the pitcher has been assembled correctly when you turn the power button on and the red light is solid. If you see a flashing light on the motor base, check to make sure the lid is firmly attached to the pitcher and the pitcher is fully locked onto the motor base.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Make perfect smoothies, shakes, dips, salsa, hummus, and more with the versatile multi-blend blender. The advanced blade design gives you the ability to effortlessly blend your favorite foods or drinks. The lightweight, shatterproof, BPA-free Triton jar is an easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe, durable container that can be used for hot or cold drinks, soups, and sauces. Built to withstand the rigors of crushing ice, this 48-ounce jar will serve up a batch of icy drinks with no problem. The powerful motor has a peak power of 700 watts, and to make things simple, 4 buttons clearly indicate which function each is designed to perform. This blender also includes a stir spoon, so you can blend thicker foods while the motor is running. Choose from different colored bases for the look you want in your kitchen. Powerful, easy to use, and a cinch to clean, the multi-blend blender simplifies many of your kitchen tasks. Now that's good thinking.